Guys, this is Sarah, and today I wanted to share this organic cough syrup from Mommy's Bliss. I picked this up specifically for my son when seasonal allergies were causing a lot of coughing and interrupted sleep. I wanted a dye-free option made with gentle ingredients, and this one checked all the boxes. It's made with organic honey, agave, and chamomile, and it's free from dyes, alcohol, and artificial flavors. I actually tried a little myself just to see how it tasted, and I was surprised how good it was. The flavor is really smooth and mild, which made it super easy for him to take. If you're looking for a kid-friendly, more natural option for nighttime cough relief, this one I definitely recommend.